Hi, my name is Ryan. I am a recent graduate here at devCodeCamp. Today I'm going to talk about my capstone project called Apartminks, where I use ASP.NET MVC5 editing framework and Google email and PayPal API to create an application where tenants of an apartment complex or any kind of residential complex can pay their rent online. So this is awesome for people who live a very, very busy lifestyle who can't quite just completely forgets about writing a check, or people who happen to be out of town and need to pay their rent and they can't quite get back in time within that grace period. So let's just go ahead and dive right into the software real quick. Two scenarios can happen right here. A, the potential tenant can come in, they can view the apartment in person, or B, they can just apply online. Tenant can go ahead and just click online and take you straight to the application. Pretty standard, so we got your first name, driver's license, standard information, your current and previous address. Work history, just your current and previous employment history. Credit history, so we have their bank name, city that your billing address is located in. If you have any other people moving in with you, you can enter in some of their information right here. Nothing too crazy, just general information and their driver's license. You can have up to 3 vehicles here on the application. And then right here you come to the authorization page, which is basically saying, I agree to the terms and conditions. There's a phone number, you sign it right here. And then any other additional. Now, if you do have a spouse, he or she needs to sign as well. And then it takes you to the payment application page, where right here they can also use PayPal API to pay for their application. Once you're done filling out your application, you're redirected to this application payment page, just saying, well done, now you have to pay the application fee, of course, because nothing's free. Business uses the PayPal to pay for handle the application fee as well. The code behind it here is using the sandbox PayPal. So what that is when a developer creates a test PayPal account, he creates a buyer account and a facilitator. So the buyer obviously is the person who pays, and the facilitator is the one receiving the money. And right here, you're just grabbing the application fee and the additional fees. So like background credit check, we consider the additional fee, and then we have another variable right here called total fees, which just adds the two together. And then that just plugs in that amount right here into the amount field. And then it just redirects you to PayPal when you click that button. So right here, off to our PayPal right now, $140 for the application fee as well as a background credit check. Pay now. And then saying, thank you, you just completed your payment. And now at this point, apartment complex receives an email saying, person X has submitted their application, please change the status to pending approval. If they do not already have a case, please create one. So it's at this point where they're given a link that's taking you back to the site here. Let me just log in as a management real quick. And here, the management can create a new case for the person that just applied. Again, they can also do this once the person comes in and visits, they go view the apartment, and right here, they would just collect their name and their email. And here, they say application is filled out, and now we're just now pending approval. Right here, and now we have a case for Ryan Webb, his email, status is pending approval. At this point, this is where they would review the application, they would check your background check. If they, for whatever reason, not approved, the management would email the tenant why they are not. All right, so we go back to the cases here. And same background and credit is checked. And now we are just waiting for their deposits. So now at this point, the tenant moves in. Their first month's check, like I said, is due in person when they get the keys. And after they receive the check, the management status moved in, and now they have a copy of their lease on file for whenever they need it. Now we have like a streamlined way to help the management as like another alternative for them to receive payment for those who can't quite get around to right now check-in time because life is busy. Life throws a lot of stuff at us. My name is Ryan Webb. Really happy with how this project turned out, especially within a week's time frame. But there are definitely more features coming in the future.